American President Donald Trump has formally moved to withdraw American membership from World Health Organization. From the beginning of COVID-19 pandemic, Trump started accusing World Health Organization. He said World Health Organization connived with China. According to him, WHO is under Chinese control right now. And he said WHO failed to reform itself even after great emphasis of America, and for that reason America wanted to break away with the World Health Organization. To this end, Trump have sent letters to the United Nations organization and also to the US Congress. The process to come out of WHO is the member nation should give 1 year notice, and America's withdrawal from World Health Organization is now just a formality. 1 year notice was served before termination of membership. And what is this WHO and who funds it? This is the most important question for us right now, because from last 3-4 months, from March onwards, WHO is in news. WHO, that is World Health Organization, is founded in 1948 and based in Geneva, Switzerland. It is a UN agency responsible for global public health. WHO, World Health Organization, right now have 194 member countries, and World Health Organization aims to promote health, keeps the world safe, and also serve the vulnerable people. World Health Organization is involved in research in vaccinations, vaccination campaigns, and also supporting the NGOs and health emergencies, and also supporting the developing and underdeveloped countries during health emergencies, and also all the countries with respect to primary health care. And WHO is funded by member nations according to its wealth and population, and also funded by voluntary contributions by various institutions and setups. It will also accept voluntary contributions. So coming to Trump's attitude, after Trump becoming the President of America, I will give a list of organizations, institutions from which America was pulled off. Number 1, United Nations Human Rights Council, UNHRC. Number 2, UNESCO, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. Number 3, America stopped funding United Nations Relief and Works Agency. Actually, this United Nations Relief and Works Agency help Palestinian refugees. America stopped funding that. Next is Iran's nuclear deal, JCPOA, Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Even this America pulled out. WTO appellate body. In appellate body, there are no judges right now. WTO appellate body, America actually diluted the strength. Next is America have come out of Open Skies Treaty. America have come out of Global Compact on Migration. America have come out of Paris Climate Deal. America have come out of OECD Framework for Digital Service Taxes. OECD means Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development. America have come out of TPP, Trans-Pacific Partnership. America have come out of INF Treaty, Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty. America right now is coming out of World Health Organization. See the list of institutions and international systems from which America is withdrawing itself. The new world order is coming out, and how it is going to be seen and visible is only a question in future. And to this end, there is a notes for you in CSB IAS Academy, Ballata CSB IAS Academy Telegram channel in English. You can read the news and download the news with respect to the entire thing. There is a beautiful article, how America is withdrawing from various institutions and what are the relevance of these institutions and their mandate.